Hi, back at it again with another video. Just a heads up, guys. So I've been trying different places in my home for recording and different lighting, so you guys feel free to comment on any of my past videos and in the videos that are coming, and let me know which one you like better. If this lighting, I like this lighting better, so maybe I think I might be continuing with this, but let me know because you guys are the viewers, and which one is more visually appeasing to you. So let's get into this video now. Oh, and if you are new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe and like and comment and introduce yourself. Like, go into the comments and be like, hey, my name is da 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 da, and I'm either relaxed, natural, or transitioning, or just what's up. That's it. But today in this video, I'll be showing you guys my first impressions of SugarBearHair. I have my package. I received it today, and I'm going to measure my hair, and I'm going to do a monthly length check because I bought for 3 months, so I want to see how much hair I can grow in 3 months with SugarBearHair. Alright, so I just opened the box. The packaging looks really cute. The packaging is really pretty. So I have my 3 bottles. I see a brush, and what is that at the end? Oh, it's a shower cap. Let me open it for you guys to see it. Struggling. I will definitely be using this to deep condition. So this is my cute shower cap. So cute. I got an extra one. So I guess they gave me an extra bottle. So I got 3 months. So each of these one each for a month, and the direction says I should be taking 2 a day, so 1 in the morning, 1 at night. But knowing myself, I'm going to take them at the same time and with my meals because I will not remember to take it twice a day, so I might as well just take them together and get it over with. What else did I get? I got a keychain. That glare though, but this keychain with a bear. My brush says SugarBearHair. It looks really cute. It's a scrunchie. SugarBearHair. And I see that they added another one, like a little mini one. So I think I'm gonna use this one first, and then just add 14, if I can fit 14 in here, or just enough for the week. Just keep on refilling it so I can remember to take 2 every day, so I don't have to like have this all with me all day, because I will go most likely go out with it. But yeah, guys, this is what I got in my package. It was about, for a month's supply, it was about $90, and I got all of this. I got 3 bottles, I got a shower cap, I got a brush, I got an extra little bit more. I got a keychain, I got extra scrunchies, and I think I got stickers. Yeah, I have a sticker. Oh, my nose is cracked. Don't mind that. But yeah, so let's go on to measuring this hair. So to take note of a difference, I wanted to measure my hair before, and then every month I'll just do a little length check on my hair. And my hair is actually really, see how shiny it is? It's really weighed down though, because I moisturized and sealed the other day. I didn't do it yesterday, the other day. And yeah, it's still flowy somewhat, but it's weighed down, and it's really like blah, but I don't care. I just had it down today. had a ponytail the other day, had it in a bun, so it's just like, it's weighed down, but as long as I know that my hair is moisturized and it's good, that's all that matters to me. So yeah, let me measure this hair. So I have I'm looking for my measuring tape. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 12. Well, it's much longer. But let me do this front section right here. Oh, this reminds me of my inversion video. You guys should check that out as well. I'll link that above. But this is the my inversion method here. I did that one. That one I only grew see how stiff it is? It just stands out. So let me get closer for you guys. Actually, let me zoom it in. Zoomed in a bit for you guys. So here's one. I'm going to measure this front half right here with my scalp. And this front half is about, let me put it on top of it. $11. I hate doing this. Yeah, a little bit past 11. Oh, 12? Why is my hair like this? That one uneven strand. We're gonna do this one more again, but it was a little bit past 12. Well, that one strand was past 12. 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna just go up to 12. Keep it simple. Well, 11. I'll just say 11. So this part here was 11. And let me do one in the back. My back, my hair, but the front of my hair is actually shorter than the back of my hair. So let me, and this is gonna be hard. I just gotta remember these two sides because I will forget. I'm gonna have to watch this video again to remember. Okay, one, putting it to my scalp and bringing it down. That's 9, 10, 12. I want to say 12. Let's say 12. So both of them are 12? No, 13. I'm up to 13. So right here is 13 and this is 12. So yeah, y'all gotta remember that. And when I check in a month, in 1 month, I will let you guys know. I gotta remind me. Okay, so for my measurements, I did my left front part, the left front of my hair, it's like this little part here, and I measured my right back. So I just wanted to do 2 different parts of my head, just so I can have like the basis. So 12, 13, and I will let you guys know how it goes this month. I know that it says that it's vegetarian. So the direction says, as a dietary supplement, adults take 2 gummy vitamins per day. Chew thoroughly before swallowing. Do not exceed recommended dose. Keep out of sunlight. Store in a cool, dry place. And color may fade over time. Color change won't affect the safety of the vitamin. So I guess it will become dull, less blue. It's gluten-free, soy-free, cruelty-free. They're easy to use, scientifically formulated vegetarian vitamin complex. So vegetarians can take this as well. Stop gulping down large smelly pills and start enjoying sweet, delicious berry flavored gummy sugar bears. It has biotin, folic acid, vitamin C for hair vitamin complex that is designed to provide essential nutrients for healthy hair growth. This formula supports both the strength and shine of your hair and nails, which I need because my nails has been breaking terribly. made without artificial sweeteners and artificial flavors in the US. So you will taste and see the difference. So sounds pretty good. I'm really interested in trying this. And I will keep you guys posted.